Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to the KG. Today in this video, we'll see whether this Bergner Triply stainless steel kadai is worth. So the cooking has started like 10 minutes ago. Still, this is touchable only, means not it doesn't catch that much heat. But remember, the burning is in sim only. Okay, the heat is in sim state. And let me show you the Bergner's BE Essential Triply Kadai, which is of stainless steel, and I'll show you the food, whether it got burnt or not. Not really burnt, but we have to sort it because there is no non-stick or something like that. But one thing I can say, the food which is cooked in the stainless steel kadai is tasty. Okay. I don't know why. Maybe that depends upon the material. Maybe stainless steel material. This is the tri-ply. The outer layer is stainless steel, and inner will be aluminum, and the outer is also again stainless steel. Tri-ply kadai, and this is the lid which fits exactly, and this also catches heat, moderate heat. Okay. When there is continuous cooking like 30 minutes to 1 hour, it catches heat, and we need to sort because as it is getting fried, this sticks to the bottom. And my overall experience is I bought this for around like 1350 rupees, and this is the user impression, you can say. This Bergner Essential Triply Kadai, I feel, is worth its price only because the cooking time is just normal, like the normal aluminum kadai. Not very quicker, or it is not taking much time. Exactly the same time, because the heat is evenly generating. I can say that heat is evenly generating. And sometimes when you fry things here, the food is being tasty. I felt, maybe this may differ from person to person, but I felt the food is being cooked in here is tasty. And for few curries, the time took lesser period of time because it got a perfect lid which seals the steam inside, so that the food inside is being cooked a bit quicker, not a lot of difference. And one more thing I want to tell you is the cleaning become very easy. Okay, when compared to the other vessels or the kadai, the cleaning on this, not only Bergner B, I won't say, but any stainless steel of good quality, you can feel the difference while cleaning, washing this kadai. It is pretty good and easy, and for 1350 rupees I felt very much satisfied. And this is of 26 centimeters, I guess 26 centimeters. Anyway, I'll be attaching the view products, and I'll also show you the online details so that you can get to know other details about this product. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments.